Okay, go. Okay, so updates. This is a tiny CNC machine that I built out of DVD drives. You already know it's backwards. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it. But there it goes. It actually gives you about an inch and a half of print space. That's how big it is. Yep, tiny Hot Wheels car. That's a cat in a box. His name is Rufus. He's adorable. He likes boxes because he's a cat. The next thing is this Flerken, the Flite Test Millennium Flerken. I still need to glue some stuff together on it, but it's mostly built. That's the picture of the plane. I want to paint it up like this plane, the Su-47. Looks great with those forward swept wings and the black and all that. So that's the side profile of my plane and the side profile of the other plane at the 2008 air show. That's what I came up with. I found some decals on a forum and I gimped them into the onto the plane, and that's the side profile there. It's going to be pretty great. We're going to cut those out with a Cricut machine, and it'll be wonderful. This is a RC tower crane that will get an 8-channel relay board, and it'll be installed into the slot car table controlled by a Raspberry Pi. That is a twin motor Outlaw 250 that we're prototyping, trying out, whatever. It flies in circles, so we got to nail it down a little bit. That's a tiny helicopter on a wire. I love that little toy. It's good fun. So I also built this robot. His name is Puck. He's got an arm on him, and he's built out of an Air Hogs RC tank toy. There's a RP2040, Maker Pi RP2040, and a Raspberry Pi Pico W on him that allow him to go and then serve a web server there for his control. He's got a little 3D printed hand and a banana sticker. I hope you enjoyed this.